Hey there guys, this is Cliff from RVs of Sacramento's YouTube channel. Today we're looking at a couple of models. We're looking at a 2024 Jayco Jay Flight 212 QBW, and we're looking at the knockdown version of that model, which is a Jay Flight 210 QBW. So the 212 QBW has been a very popular floor plan for many years. It's about 25 feet 8 inches long, just under 6,000 pounds, fully loaded. Super open layout without a slide, and basically couples love this trailer because they feel like they're getting a lot of room, very open floor plan, but something that's not overly difficult to tow. So for 2024, Jayco has made the 210 QBW, which I have here on my left. So basically from the outset, some of the differences you can see, there's about a $4,000 price point difference. With the 212, you get the fiberglass front cap. With the 210, you have the aluminum front there. Larger propane bottles on the 212, smaller propane bottles on the 210. Just kind of walking around the unit, just a few features. You get the basic radial tires without the fender skirting on the 210. Of course, with the 212, you get the Goodyear tires with the fender skirting. Just another couple of options as you walk around. So on the 212, you have a ladder. On the 210, it's an optional feature where you can add a ladder. Still a very nice trailer, of course. It's all about price point. For that family that may not want all the upgraded bells and whistles. Like on the 210, you don't have a backsplash. The aluminum, the cutting board for the sink. Interior is pretty much the same. I mean, it's a big open floor plan. You have, of course, a sofa that converts into a bed, a dinette which converts into a bed as well, so that's your additional sleeping. Again, we're just below 6,000 pounds, fully loaded, 25 feet 8 inches. It's a non-slide model. This unit doesn't come equipped with a TV. Of course, you can add one. Your Dometic cook range is a little bit different than the Furrion that's on the 212. On the 212, you have a glass countertop, a little bit different. On this one, we did option it with solar. You do have the upgraded air conditioner. This is a 12-volt refrigerator, very deep as you can see. So the 12-volt runs off your battery if you're dry camping. Decent space in your pantry here. Lots of storage. Of course, in the front, you have this huge walk-around queen bed. I'm just amazed at how much space there is with this. Of course, a nice nightstand next to the bed, electrical outlets. You have a little bit different, smaller wardrobe closet than you do in the 212 on the 210. Solar amp controller, 30 amp solar controller. Your bathroom, good sized bathroom in this. This has the on-demand Suburban hot water system. Of course, you have a tub, doubles as a shower. Nice skylight, and of course a fan to help circulate the air. So really, it's really hard to tell the differences between these two side by side, but they are just slightly different. The 212 has been very popular for many years. It's sold very well for customers. If anything, this is just a stripped down version of that allows the consumer to spend a little less money but still have the nice layout. This has been Cliff at RVs of Sacramento. I welcome your feedback on this video. For current pricing and availability on this model, be sure to scan the QR code or call the phone number at the top of the screen. Until we see you next time, take care.